Hi guys, how can you create a rain effect in Photoshop like this? First, create a new layer. Set the blending mode to screen. Now go to Filter Render Fibers. Set the variance to 14 and strength to 4. Then press OK. Next, go to Image Adjustments Levels. Set the left slider around 167, the middle around 0.58, and the right around 212. Then press OK. Now go to Filter Blur Motion Blur. Set the distance around 17 and the angle around -86 degrees, then press OK. Now lower the opacity to around 66%. And that's it. This is how you can create a realistic rain effect in Photoshop.